What's good? It's your boy Joneses and welcome back to the channel once again. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Also, drop a like on this video for your boy. Real quick before we get into the video, I do have a giveaway going on that I want to keep pushing and letting y'all know that's going on. So there's a giveaway for 3 winners. One winner is going to win a pair of shoes. The second winner is going to win a $100 Visa gift card. And the third winner is going to win one of these shirts right here, these Joneses. I call them the off-white belt shirts because like the border is like an off-white belt. But yeah, you're going to win one of these shirts. There's a black long sleeve and then the white short sleeve. You'll get to pick between them. But for you to enter the giveaway, you have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to turn on post notifications, and then you have to take a screenshot and follow me on Instagram and DM me that screenshot of you subscribe with post notifications on. Then leave a comment on the video of a shoe and size that you would want if you won the giveaway. But anyways, man, y'all know I'm back with more heat as always, and I know y'all are excited. I'm excited. I want to get into these shoes with y'all real quick, so let's go ahead and bring them in. So we got 2 pair of shoes today, and it's been a little while since we've done a little double unboxing, but we're gonna go ahead and get into the first pair. They're both a pair of ones, so I'm kind of excited. I like ones, and they've got some heat that's been coming out lately, so let's get the first pair out. So this first pair is going to be the Jordan 1 Pine Greens, and y'all, I was sleeping on these super heavy. I've been sleeping on all the shoes I've been copping lately. Like, it's wild. Like the Blazers I was sleeping on, I didn't think they were going to be that hard. These Pine Greens have been out for a little while now. It's still a newer release, but I was sleeping. I didn't think they were that hard until I got them and I saw, I was like, yo, all right, yeah, these are pretty hard, but let's go ahead and get them out. So we got that Jordan 1 box right here. And we got the receipt right here, foot action receipt. And then let's get the shoe out. And whew, yes, sir. See, I knew they looked alright to me when I first got them, or when I first saw them. They looked alright to me, but I just wasn't sure. I was like, I don't know if I'm a cop. And then I finally ended up copping. I was like, alright, whatever. They're pretty tough. So let's go ahead and go through them. So they come with a red pair of laces. I know there's like 3 or 4 different Pine Greens that have come out, and one pair had like a red Wings logo, but this one has a leather like stitched on Wings logo. It's not like the normal Wings logo that's just like branded on the tab right here. It's a leather Wings logo with like a shiny like rubbery plastic that's on it that shows the Air Jordan and stuff. And then we got the green winged tip, or whatever you want to call this. I don't really know what this is called, the flap. You got the green heel with the green swoosh, and it's really tumbled. That's one thing about these, they're like really tumbled. And it's just the green that's really tumbled. The black right here, you see we also got black leather. This is a black leather, but it's not as tumbled as the rest of the shoe, which I don't really understand. But like in the middle right here, the black is tumbled, so it's kind of weird. I don't know. They come with black laces also. I think white laces might look good in these, but yeah, like I was saying, it's weird. This is like a nubuck feel, but it's definitely leather, so it's not like it's high quality leather. It's super soft, but I'm just not too sure why this isn't as tumbled as this. I guess because like pine green, they wanted to give it more like a pineish look, I guess. I don't really know. But you see we also got the white midsole and then the green bottom, and I think that's pretty dope. I like the green bottom with the white midsole, and then you go back to a black and green shoe upper. Like that's pretty dope to me with the black tongue, and then also on the tongue you got a red Nike Air logo. So I see what they're doing. They are pretty tough. Like, I'm not gonna lie, they're tough. I like them. It may not seem like I like them that much, but I do like them. The only reason I don't like them that much, like that it seems, is because I don't have much to match these, but they're still a hard shoe. So let's go ahead and pull the other one out so y'all can see it. And you know, it's just, they're definitely a sick colorway. Like, it's a dope colorway, and I can't wait to lace them up so you can see like the different color laces in them. But we got the same thing going on this shoe. And it's dope. I'm not gonna lie, it was a sleeper. I was definitely sleeping on it pretty heavy, and then I saw them in person. I was like, yo, those are actually kind of hard. So I got them now. I'm pretty excited about them. I'm gonna hold on to them for a little bit. Might wear them a couple times, not too sure. But yeah, I'm probably gonna wear them a couple times and then I might get rid of them. So you know, y'all know my size. If you wear my size and you end up wanting them, hit me up. But anyways, that's the first shoe, the Jordan 1 Pine Green. I think they're tough. Let's go ahead and get into the next shoe. So this next shoe just came out. This is a more recent release. Like, I think it was like last week they came out. And I was excited. They came in the mail the other day. And I'm ready to unbox them with you guys. So y'all already see we got the lucky knife, the good knife. And if you haven't already, stop what you're doing. Drop a like. And if you're new to the channel, hit the sub button. Also, leave a comment, talk to your boy, because I respond to all comments. I like having conversations with y'all. But anyways, now this shoe, whew, it's dope. Also, one more time before, I don't want to get off track again, but if you haven't entered the giveaway, go ahead and do that. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, take a screenshot, DM it to me on Instagram or Twitter. But this shoe right here, it just came out, and I kept looking at it, and I was like, I don't know if they're that tough. And then I looked at them again, I was like, yo, those are actually pretty hard. So I went ahead and copped, and I can't wait to show y'all. So let's go ahead and get this box open. I sharpened my knife too, so we don't gotta worry about cutting ourselves too much. But yeah, they came out, and I was like, I kept seeing pictures, and I just wasn't sure at first. And I finally like just decided like, okay, they actually do look kind of good, so I'm gonna go ahead and cop. And we grabbed them. It's another pair of ones. Y'all probably know what pair of ones these are. But, let's go ahead and get them out. Now these babies right here, let's get this box off the table. These babies are the Cork purple ones, and y'all, I slept on these extremely heavy, but I wanted to cop them anyway so I can make a video and review it and show y'all. So these, they're super tough. I've seen a couple people's other pairs, but let's just go ahead and get them out the box because I was definitely sleeping. So this was not a GOAT pickup. This was off the sneakers app. Y'all see it. I can't show y'all that too much because you'll be able to zoom in and see addresses and stuff. But we got these. Yo, oh my. Oh, they smell so good too. This is a sick colorway. Let me pull this shoe out. Oh my gosh, bruh. So there's a couple things about this shoe real quick. There's a couple things that I did not know. So first, I didn't know that they came with these lavender laces. These are some tough laces, but yo, oh my goodness. These are so much harder than I thought they were, for real. Let me set this stuff up over here real quick. I was definitely sleeping on these. These are tough. So let's go ahead and get into some of the details of the shoes. So like all Jordan 1s, or majority, we got some good high quality leather right here in purple. And then we got white upper leather right here on the inside. We got a white leather toe box right here. And we got the purple leather in the back. And yo, I cannot, these are tough. I don't know which one. I think these look better than the original pair. I definitely think these look better than the original pair, but let's keep going through. So we also have a black swoosh right here, a leather black swoosh. The shoe's all leather, and then we got a black Wings logo right here on purple leather. And then we got the white midsole with the purple bottom. And that's one thing I'm starting to become a fan of. I like the different color bottoms, like on these pine greens, the green bottom, and then you got the purple bottoms. I think that's a dope little addition that they do, and it looks sick. So we also have a white tongue with the black tongue tag, but the Nike Air is in purple. I don't know how much you guys can see that, but it's in purple. It's pretty dark. But they also come with black laces. Do these come with white laces? These are nuts, bruh. I was sleeping so hard on these. I'm glad I got them because I don't think retail's gonna shoot up, but they're definitely gonna go up a little bit. So let's see. They didn't come. So they only came with black and lavender laces. I don't know. I think white laces will be hard in these. So we got both shoes, nothing different on the other shoe, and they're just tough, yo. So I don't. These are sick. Like, I'm honestly surprised at how hard these are, because I wasn't expecting them to be this hard, but really when you get them in hand, they look so good. Pictures do not do these justice at all. Look at them. They're so nasty. We also got the black, it's a black insole with purple Nike Air. I don't know how well y'all can see it, but these are just tough, bruh. But they didn't come with white laces. I'm surprised, because there's a lot of white on this shoe, and I think white laces will probably look better than black laces or these lavender laces. I'm not sure. Leave a comment what y'all think. Would these look good with white laces, or should I keep the black and the lavender? Should I do one shoe and do another? I'm probably gonna do that at the end, just so you can see what the shoes look like with the lavender laces and the black laces. But these are tough. I was definitely sleeping, and I'm excited. I'm glad I grabbed them. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Once again, I do have a giveaway going on. If you want to enter the giveaway, subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on post notifications, then send me a screenshot of you subscribe with post notifications on to me on Instagram at Joneses. It's the same as my YouTube, or you can send it to me on Twitter, and it's the same. My Twitter is the same as my Instagram and YouTube. They're all Joneses, and it's pretty tough. So that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope y'all enjoyed, man. I like making these videos, and I know y'all are ready to see what else I have in store. The giveaway is going to end probably next Saturday, so sub up while you can, win yourself a pair of kicks or a $100 gift card, or even one of these t-shirts, because I know y'all are digging these t-shirts. Leave a comment also if you like these t-shirts. If you like the video, drop a like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Leave a comment. Talk to your boy. It's your boy Joneses. I appreciate y'all, and I'm out.
Came back, I ready to fire that chrome. I was out that country, ain't know what time on my own. I was trying to get the devil out of my Jones. I was thanking God, I was thinking all almost. I spend my money on security, then I make it just to be safe. Just to be safe, dawg. I spend my money on security, then I make it just to be safe, dawg. And I make it home. How about a bit and into the coupe? I think my family switching it up, it ain't nothing I can do. My chest is for diamond, around with that woolly, I put my own juice. Jessica nigga, look up, bitch, I run up a meal, I'ma fuck with the coopers. Alien tag gon' fly me, man, fuck it, I'm starting on you. I hope you lay down and remember that I'm what you're gunning for you. They told me that I was gonna end on an MC hammer. Everything I get, I try to be better.